You ready to watch?
Yes.
Okay. Hey guys, we're on the problem number 3. Let's kind of recap where we are though before we go too much further. Right, Xander?
Yes.
We're going to recap.
Yes.
Okay. So we have this. Y equals, what's that letter?
M.
And then that letter?
X.
And that letter?
B.
Try again.
B.
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 B. Right. Y equals mx plus b. Now if I change the m, that letter, right? What's that letter?
M.
M. That means we are rotating. Right? And if I change this letter, what letter is that one?
A.
Try again. What's that letter?
T.
Try again.
B.
B, yeah. That means I shift it up and down. Right? Okay, so there's my reminders over there. Now the next translation that we talk about is called reflecting. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you guys stay over there. Now when we reflect, that means what we're doing is we're shifting it, flipping it over the axis. And I'll show you what we're talking about. The two functions we have in example number 3 are f of x equals 2/3 x plus 2. So here's f of x equals 2/3 x plus 2. And it wants us to reflect that over the, let's make sure we get the right axis,
X.
across the y-axis, right?
Yes.
Now to do that, we're going to take the slope
Yes.
and multiply it by -1.
Mm-hmm.
-1. And what that will do is it will flip it, reflect it over the y-axis. So let's show you how that works. Here's my graph. You okay down there? So we go to the intercept, which is a 2 again. We follow the slope, which is 2/3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
And so there is f of x. Now it says the trick is to take the slope and multiply it by -1. So let's go ahead and take that slope, 2/3, multiply it by a -1, and rewrite our g of x. So -2/3 x plus 2, and let's graph that. Same intercept, 1, 2. Now I follow the slope of going down 2 over 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, oops, helps me count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. When I draw those lines,
Those lines.
I can see that it's kind of the same guy right there across. It's been reflected. For example, this point kind of is mirrored by that point. This point is mirrored by that point. This point is mirrored by that point. A reflection is where it's the same on the other side of the mirror.
Mirror.
Right, Xander?
Yes.
It's a reflection.
Yes.
Just like when you're in the mirror and you put your right hand up and the boy on the other side of the mirror raises his left hand.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
If I were to draw something, let's say, looks like this, right? The reflection would look like that.
Yes.
That's what I'm doing here. And the trick to this reflection, again, has to do
Daddy,
with
that's a big captain. Who was the captain?
really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Has to do with how m gets changed. If I multiply by a -1, that reflects it around the y-axis. All right? And it's just kind of a rule you guys have to memorize. Right, Xander?
Yes.
Can you say memorize?
Bye-bye.
Okay, look at the camera. Point at the camera and say memorize.
Bye-bye.
All right, there's your advice for the day.